Picture this. You're designing a fold-down workbench for your garage. You calculate the force needed, order an actuator, install everything perfectly, and then watch as your expensive mechanism grinds to a halt halfway through rotation. What went wrong? You just discovered why rotating panels are one of the trickiest challenges in mechanical design. Here's the problem. When you rotate a panel around a hinge, the physics get complicated fast. Unlike pushing a drawer or lifting something straight up where the force stays pretty constant, rotating panels create a nightmare scenario. The torque requirements change dramatically as your panel moves through its arc. Think about it. When your panel starts vertical, gravity barely fights you. But as it approaches horizontal, that same gravitational force creates maximum resistance at your hinge point. It's like the difference between holding a hammer close to your body versus extending it straight out. The weight doesn't change, but the effort required absolutely does. This variable loading means standard force calculations will fail you every time. You'll end up with undersized actuators that stall out, wear prematurely, or just flat out break, and that's expensive. Professional engineers know you need to account for weight distribution, mounting geometry, bracket positions, friction coefficients, and all the trigonometric relationships that govern rotational mechanics. Whether you're designing Murphy beds, flip-down TV cabinets, or industrial equipment housings, getting this wrong costs time and money. The good news? There's now a specialized calculator tool designed specifically for these rotating panel applications. It handles all the complex math, ensuring your actuators are properly sized from the start. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.